This shir is on Tefila. On Tefila, we have a minhag that we say Ledavid Hashem Ori Veishei Miniram. Ledavid Hashem is my light and my salvation. Who am I afraid of? Hashem Ma'oz Chayai. Hashem is the source of my strength. From whom am I afraid? Now, this for Ashkenazim, they say it from Elul till Simchat Torah. Now, they say that why? Supposed to say all the time. But anyway, there's a midrash, and the midrash says, when Hashem says, when David says, Hashem, my light and my salvation, what does my light mean? My light means Rosh Hashanah. My Yishi, salvation is Yom Kippur. It's interesting. We think that about Rosh Hashanah, I always imagine, used to imagine, Rosh Hashanah is like somebody passed the red light and he's looking around. Did he see me? Did he see me? Did he see me? In other words, it's as if I was caught. Person feels that, I was caught in the midst of what I did during the year. Now I was caught. But David HaMelech doesn't look at Rosh Hashanah like that. Since, I tell you better, since we look at Rosh Hashanah like that, we don't accomplish anything on Rosh Hashanah. We don't gain from Rosh Hashanah. Because our mentality, the way that we think is wrong, totally is wrong. David HaMelech is telling us, Rosh Hashanah is the light of my life. I love it. If you have to choose the Yom Tov from all of Yom Tovim, don't forget, it's not Purim, it's not Simchat Torah, it's not Pesach, it's not Sukkah. You choose Rosh Hashanah. Rosh Hashanah is the light of life. No, why is it light of life? See, if you notice, what's the greatest disease, mental disease of the community? The greatest and deepest mental disease is to be indifferent. If somebody gets up in the morning and says, I don't know why am I getting up, what's my motivation to get up? He's going to die. It's a mental death. Person needs motivation. Like the apostle says, Chaim Birsono. HaKadosh Baruch Hu gives you Chaim. You activate that Chaim with the Ratzon of Hashem, with the Ratzonot of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, with implement of the mitzvot, implement of understanding your own worth. Like the Mishnah in Sanhedrin says, why did HaKadosh Baruch Hu create Adam only Yachid? Adam is a community. Why should be only one person? Because Bishvini Brahma, understand your self-worth, understand what you do means. In other words, even a small thing that you do in life, that's meaning. That's Rosh Hashanah. Rosh Hashanah is accountability for whatever that you do. That Yetzer Hara comes, that is very hard. How could you manage? How could you do it? That's Yetzer Hara. But David HaMelech says this is the light of life. Because once you want to be accountable, once you want to do that, Hashem empowers you. Hashem gives you room to do that. Now, you might tell me that I grew up not like that. Lifetime, I'm not like this. Rosh Hashanah says, HaKadosh Baruch Hu created the world. Now, every Yom Tov that we have, it's not a memorial day. Pesach, it's not a memorial day. We don't have memorial day. Rather, it belongs to God. Every Yom Tov that we have, that Yom Tov is the renewal of that Yom Tov. Pesach, Hashem takes us out of Mitzrayim. It's taking out of Mitzrayim. Matan Torah, Hashem gives the Matan Torah. What does Hashem do on Rosh Hashanah? Rosh Hashanah is the renewal of life. Hashem renews our life. We become born again. Ayom techilat ma'asecha. They say the apostle, they say the Tefila. Ayom techilat ma'asecha. That's a techilah of your deeds. That's like baby born today. You could build that, you could make, you can empower yourself. And then Yom Kippur is the salvation. In other words, God, you have some deeds, some wrong deeds, and that they don't shoot you on the scene if you do something wrong. They say Yom Kippur, there's a salvation. Yeah, but this Rosh Hashanah Yom Kippur was highlight of David HaMelech. The way that, this David HaMelech that the Gemara in Brachot says that he slept like a horse. Now, how much is the horse sleeps? Someday 10 minutes, 5 minutes. What made him to do like that? Because he understood his self-worth. Understood I should be there. I could accomplish so much. I could do so much. When a person doesn't have self-worth, then you waste it. You waste yourself. A person wastes himself. Don't know. But David HaMelech, Veishei, understood his self-worth. Then he understood to use his time. He understood what he could accomplish. What such an enormous power should be sitting doing nothing. There is everlasting, there is helping to Kahal Israel. I could elevate Kahal Israel, I could elevate myself, I could elevate everybody. That's David HaMelech is saying that Rosh Hashanah is Ori Veishei. Hashem, Tefila, Chatima Tova, for all of us.